jakom mar ODM Gladys Wanga omako chung' ni ok giwuogi e sirkal mar manyonda kata broad based kendo ne giikore kedo ne ratich oganda ka gintiere e sirkal. Ne gilose kinde alame kanisa mar Vosh Kisumu gikoni nitie jomoko ma okoni ODM owinjo ojwang' winjruok mare gi jatend piny kakoro lero ni mano nyalo mana rocho kwe mosebede thur kae.
As an ODM party and as the national chairman, we have signed an agreement with our UDA colleagues. Our party leaders have signed this agreement, and it included inclusivity, it included stopping extrajudicial killings, it includes all those things. We will and today as I speak, there has been no going back on that broad-based. We are in it because we are already in it, inside it. So we will stick inside there, and within it, we will demand for justice, we will demand for a stoppage to extrajudicial killings, we will demand it from within there. Mahali ko kasoro, tunarekebisha tukienda. Kwa sababu nchi ni yetu sisi sote. Si nchi ya wengine na wengine. Now, you know this country, there are people who came up with this theory of shareholders. Walisema wengine ni shareholders, wengine si shareholders. Sasa wale shareholders waende wapi? Sasa wamerudi tena. Wamesema wengine ni cousins, wengine si cousins. Sasa wale si cousins waende wapi? Hii siasa ya kugawanya ya kwa Kenya kwa misingi ya kikabila, kwa shareholding, kwa cousins, tuache. Sisi wote kama wa Kenya, sisi ni ndugu na dada.